Jai Srimanarayana. 22nd sloka of 16th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Etaihi vimuktaha kaunteya tamodvaraihi त्रिभिर्नरः आचरति आत्मनः श्रेयः ततो याति परां गतिम्। ॐ Realize that the result of renunciation of lust, greed, and anger helps you to gain knowledge about yourself and encourages you to do what is good for yourself. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall renounce lust, greed and anger, and I shall put all my efforts to gain knowledge about myself and be inclined towards yourself. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमुपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. ॐ हरये नमः. श्रीमद्भागवतमो दशमस्कन्धमु 10th skandham 330th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, there are good, adequate rains in Vrindavanam. Because of that, Vrindavanam is looking so greenery and glowing. In that Vrindavanam go Gopalaihi Vrutaha Rantum Sabalaha Pravisat Harihi. Sri Krishna Paramatma along with Balarama and cows and other Gopalas, he is enjoying in that Vrindavanam. Dhenavo mandagaminiyaha vodho bharena bhuyasa yayur bhagavata ahutaha drutam pritya snutastanaha. But cows are walking very slow because their udders are heavy, because there is so much of milk in their udders. Noticing that, Sri Krishna Paramatma started calling each and every cow, addressing them with their own names. When cows heard Sri Krishna Paramatma's such a melodious tone and hearing their own names from Sri Krishna Paramatma, cows started running towards Krishna Paramatma. Because of the affection and love those cows has towards Sri Krishna Paramatma, they are even releasing their milk without anyone milking the milk. To that extent, all the cows love Sri Krishna Paramatma. And Krishna Paramatma is now playing his beautiful flute. Vishwamohanamaina venu ninadambu sarasa gambhira garjana mukaga karuna kataksha vikshana sudha varshambu saliladhara pravarshambu kaga Krishna meghambu bahutara kirti noppe vimala brundavana akasa vidhiyandu. Krishna Paramatma is like a beautiful cloud enjoying in Vrindavanam, which is like space. And such Krishna Paramatma as one cloud, he is now roaring by playing his flute. That roaring sound, beautiful flute sound, melodious sound spreaded all over all 14 worlds and captivating each and every living being. And such Krishna Paramatma's divine eyes, there comes such a wonderful, comforting rays of grace. It is like as and how cloud releases water. Like that, all the graceful nectar-like vision coming from Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine eyes, and as and how the water coming from clouds comforts all living beings, just like that, Krishna Paramatma's Kataksha Vikshanas, that graceful vision, is giving high-level comfort to each and everyone in Vrindavanam. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 16th chapter, 22nd sloka. Etair vimuktah kaunteya tamodvaraihi tribhirnaraha acharati atmana shreyaha tato yanti param gatim. एतैर्विमुक्तः कौन्तेय तमोद्वारैः त्रिभिर्नरः आचरति आत्मनः श्रेयः ततो यान्ति परां गतिम्. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.